Hi everyone, welcome back to another special edition of Nutrition at Noon. And today we're kicking off week 3 of our Healthy at Home Challenge. It's been another week at home, another week without a haircut, another week of Zoom calls with work teams and friends, and all those routines that we've established to help keep us grounded in this new way of life. And hopefully the Healthy at Home Challenge has become part of your routine. It's been really fun to connect with all of our community partners and our favorite customers to see your posts. Thank you for giving us a glimpse into your day. I'm Lisa, the Director of Healthy Living at Giant Food, and we've been using this opportunity to introduce you to different members of our team. So today I have with me Tu and Lindsay.
Hi guys, I'm Tu. I'm a nutritionist with Giant in the Rockville, Maryland area. And I have been at home with my husband and my 1-year-old. So it has definitely been very hectic at home.
And I'm Lindsay, in-store nutritionist in the Fredericksburg, Virginia area. And I've been home with a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old, trying to balance between working from home, doing homeschooling, and just trying to get used to this norm.
Great. So this past week, the challenge was to try a new fruit or vegetable, or to try fruits and vegetables in a new way, and to move 30 minutes every single day. So how did it go?
I'll tell you, I did really good with the exercise part of the challenge. You know, having a 1-year-old, it's really easy to get that 30 minutes in. I need a little bit of work with that food challenge. I was lacking a little bit of creativity this week, but I'll pick it up next week for sure.
Yes. And for me, I think we did pretty good this week. My 4-year-old and 7-year-old were able to try papaya, which wasn't new for me, but it was brand new for them. My 4-year-old did not really like it. She's kind of a picky eater to begin with. My 7-year-old really enjoyed it. We've been really staying active because we have a new bike. I've been running alongside with them, but also just taking big bike rides around our neighborhood and just doing some exploring has been really fun.
Great. And you guys, I found a new favorite quiche recipe. And what you do is you substitute sliced sweet potatoes for the pie crust. So I'm going to be sharing that on Giant's Instagram story next week. And I got to break out my kitchen mandolin, which was super fun. So this recipe is definitely a keeper, and I can't wait to show it to you next week. Okay, so for week 3, what do you have for us? What's the challenge this week, and what are your best tips for helping us get there?
So I'm really excited to share with you week 3. My challenge is for you to add more whole grains to your plate. And whole grains are a really great way to get extra nutrition, but also more fiber, which can help prevent all different types of diseases like heart disease, diabetes. The grains can also add a lot more bulk, which has a lot more fiber. It helps us keep us fuller, longer, and that's always a nice thing. I have some tips for you to get those whole grains into your meals and snacks. First, let's start off with our breakfast. Getting overnight oats made with some oatmeal, or even having some cereals like Cheerios or Kashi. Even the ready-made mixes like kaya cakes are really great options. And you want to aim for at least 5 grams of fiber in these servings. Try to swap out your regular types of breads, pastas, or crackers. Next time you go into Giant and you always grab the same types of crackers or bread, be able to look for something that has whole written into the ingredients list. And that's how we can tell if it's a whole grain or not. Sometimes they have it on the food labels, or even right on the front or on the side. And there's even a whole grain stamp we can look for as well, and I'll show you. So that's one way we can look for our whole grains. Now, if you already have whole grains into your diet and your meals, then we want to try something new, right? So the next time you go into the grocery store at Giant, be able to look for things like buckwheat or quinoa, farro. There's lots of different types of whole grains that we can be looking for. All right, what do you have for us? Tu.
All right, so I have the exercise challenge for you guys, and it's definitely important to continue to stay active while we're at home. It helps to reduce that stress you may be feeling. It gets our heart rates pumping, And overall, it just makes you feel better mentally and physically. So our challenge is to try a new online resource for your exercise. And online resources are great because usually they're free, and also you can do it on your own time. So my 3 tips for you guys today is to find something that works for you. So whether it be yoga or high intensity interval training or a running app, just choose something that works for you, because if you like the activity, more likely than not, you'll be sticking to that activity as well. And just remember that not all apps are the same, not all YouTube channels are the same. So just experiment with what fits with your personality. My second tip is to get creative. You know, it doesn't have to be a structured online fitness program. It can just be your favorite music video from YouTube or your favorite playlist off of Spotify and having a dance party in your living room. And then my third tip is that online doesn't necessarily mean inside. Get outside, enjoy that fresh air, explore apps that you can download onto your smartphone or onto your smartwatch. You know, my favorite app is the Apple Watch workout app because it plays music, it tracks your distance, and it monitors your heart rate. So I know that these past weeks, Jillian and Leslie has challenged you guys to a workout right here now. So everybody stand up. We are going to be doing calf raises. So all you have to do is just tippy toe. We're going to do 8 of them. Ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job, guys. Did you feel the burn?
Not quite yet, but if we did it much longer, yeah.
And so I'm also going to use this opportunity to challenge some of my community partners to this week's Healthy at Home Challenge. So I am singling you out, Bethesda Chevy Chase Rescue Squad. You guys have been doing an amazing job, and I want to see more pictures. I'm also going to challenge my partners at Manna Food Center and the entire Division of Food and Nutrition Services with Montgomery County Public Schools. And then lastly, our friends with Edge Commercial Real Estate. Lindsay, do you have anyone you're going to challenge?
Absolutely. So I'd really like to take this moment to personally invite 1440 Fitness of Fredericksburg. I'm always inspired by your posts, so I would love for you guys to join in on this challenge so I can see some more of these kind of posts coming our way. And then University of Mary Washington. We're really lucky to have a university in this area, so I'd love to challenge you guys. Keep posting. Let's find some inspiration to be able to inspire our students who are at home and who are going through some of these studying for the tests and exams. We'd love to give them some brain fuel and some tips along the way in order for them to just get into the right mindset into their summer. And hopefully it can be helpful and inspire them to keep going with this challenge as well.
Great, so there you have it. Add whole grains to your plate and try something new with fitness. There's so many options out there. And here's a reminder of how this all works. If you want recipes, tips, and encouragement, email me, nutrition@giantfood.com, and we'll send you the weekly challenge email. If you want personalized tips for your work group or your special club, invite someone from our team, like Tu or Lindsay, to join your next team meeting. And most importantly, show us how you are being healthy at home. Post on your favorite social media platform. Remember, when you post, tag Giant Food and use 2 hashtags, Healthy at Home and hashtag Giant Food Challenge. We really want to see your posts. You never know when we're going to be able to share your posts too. Be sure to tune in to Nutrition at Noon this week. This week we're talking COVID-related shopping and nutrition tips and how to build a better smoothie and foods that support better sleep. So good luck with week 3. Stay in touch. Remember, if we all do our part to stay healthy and at home, it's going to help protect the essential workers like those at My Giant. Stay well, everyone, and see you back next Monday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.